Y'all are making viral videos about animated fruits doing dances, when Filipino fruits are naturally hilarious looking, and nobody's talking about this comedy goldmine. TikTok will make a strawberry do the renegade and get millions of views. Meanwhile, rambutan exists looking like a sea urchin had a bad hair day, and we're just casually eating it at the market like it's normal. You're watching CGI bananas. Tell jokes when durian is out here looking like a medieval weapon covered in spikes that could literally kill you but tastes like heaven had a fight with an onion. No animation needed. That fruit is naturally unhinged. Lanzones looks like tiny potatoes got lost in the fruit section. Santol appears to be a peach that gave up on life. Atis looks like dinosaur eggs designed by someone who's never seen a dinosaur. These fruits are comedy content without any editing. Here's the best part. While other countries have boring round fruits, Philippine fruits show up looking absolutely ridiculous and still taste incredible. Jackfruit weighs 40 pounds and looks like alien bubble wrap, making every other fruit look basic. Ang pangit pero ang sarap. It's ugly but it's delicious. That's the Filipino fruit motto, and honestly, it should be everyone's life philosophy. This philosophy teaches us that appearances can be deceiving, and that true value often lies beneath the surface. Western TikTok is creating fictional fruit characters when we have real fruits that look like they escaped from a cartoon. Marang looks like jackfruit's weird cousin. Mangosteen looks like it's wearing a little hat. Star fruit is literally a five-pointed star, while apples are still boring and round. Stop animating normal fruits and start appreciating naturally funny-looking Filipino fruits that don't need special effects to be entertaining. Which Filipino fruit looks the funniest? Comment and describe it in the wildest way possible. Like, share, and follow for more Filipino fruit appreciation. And tag someone who's never seen these hilarious looking fruits.